Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah rabbil alamin. Assalatu wassalamu ala asrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'du. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, in this occasion, I want to tell you about how to make code by Laravel. It's same like PHP, but Laravel is the framework of PHP. Okay, we go to first. We make a folder in VS Code. Okay, first we open folder, we make new folder about exam Laravel. It's up to you what do you want to make the folder, and you can make up to you. So this is my folder, so create, so open the folder. This already in the folder. So after that, the first we uh, we open the terminal for the for downloading the Laravel. Okay, the first we open the Laravel in website. Now, this the Laravel, and this is how to install it. The first when you want to install Laravel in terminal VS Code, the first you make the you download the composer. Okay, we just copy from here, so we copy paste in here. Nah, but uh, if you wanna, but this the example that app you can change with with the name Laravel 1. You can change like that. So just enter, and now we download the Laravel. Just wait, it's still download, still downloading, we're waiting. Still installing. Okay, this you can see in here the information application key is set is successful. It's already successful. We already download the folder Laravel. There is app, bootstrap, config, database, public, and this the Laravel in here. So after that, after we already install the Laravel, we go to the installation again. After that, we click cd for the your folder last time. We click in here cd, and in here my folder is Laravel 1, because that we click, we write Laravel 1. So after that just enter. After we already Laravel 1, we go to for see the Laravel, or open the Laravel, we must write PHP action serve for see the Laravel. After that we write PHP artisan serve. So after that we may enter. So this server, to run the server, we already run the server, is running on HTTP this. So if you wanna see the website, you just comment. In MacBook is command click, but in Windows you can control click the first time. See this. This the website in Laravel. This from Laravel. Okay, that the from roads from research in views. This is the the code from here, and this the we view like this. We see like this. This is the code from the Laravel, and this after we serve we can see this one. So after that, the first we must doing is uh, connect the Laravel to the database. Okay, the first you may open PHP my admin if you already download PHP. So you may um, create new database. This my database is exam. Wait, my database is exam 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 Laravel. Okay, just exam maybe. So we may enter this. We don't uh, create the table first because we later we can make the table from Laravel. So we go to the VS Code again. So this you see there is that database in here. This Laravel. So you can change to other name to exam the database from here exam. After you already put in here exam, so after that you can control C. After that you may uh, we see the first is in migration. Wait, migration. Nah, this is the table because that we must make the PHP write PHP artisan migrate. Nah, so this already running migrations. So this there is the table user password failed jobs and personal access, and after that we can see in the PHP man, we refresh and see the exam. Now this is the table already from Laravel. This is uh, the table from Laravel we make last time. This from migration. So in here I wanna make the table for result of exam. We how to make it? We go to the name. We go to this in Laravel there is database migration. So you can search how to make migration. Okay. Now this if you wanna make a table, you can search in PHP migration. The text is PHP artisan make migration make migration make migrate. So after that you create underscore the name exams. This must not in the video but is in Arabic is jama is create exams. You can exams. Hmm. So you can enter. Okay, there is some error. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, yes. Now I already know the writer is you can search in migration and you see generating migration. This for make new uh, new table from this PHP. So you just see in here, prepare artisan make migration. and this create this must jump in Arabic is jamak because my table and my database is exam because that this must jamak exams. So underscore table is you must write in terminal VS Code PHP artisan make migration and after that create underscore exams underscore table. So just enter. We already make the new table. So after that we must PHP artisan migrate again for give the table to PHP admin. So PHP artisan migrate running migration. This already done, and we can see in localhost. Just just refresh. You already see this. There is the table in here. So just click. This our table exams. So we already make the table. So after that, uh, we want to make the how to uh, how to make a table one in one folder in one file. The first is we make for see the what the name the for view the web we must make controller first in there we must make models and one more is in controllers we you because if we already make models that's all of eh, we must in Laravel we must make new models and controller. So this in control letter we want uh, make the the routes this the route and we just make the written view and we can making the uh, the for each or repetition in controller. So after this go to database. So we go to in Laravel in web Laravel is controllers. So if you want to make controller, you must make PHP artisan make controller user controller. This up to you. If I wanna make this PHP, write this artisan make make controller controller the controller. So the controller is exam. The e the first letter is much bigger. Exam controller. So just enter it. Which already make the exam controller. So after that I wanna make the models. You can search in here. You can search PHP what the name make models. Wait a minute. Models. If not, if you wanna see again, just write in Google make models Laravel make model Laravel can search in here. So this, if you wanna make the model, just PHP artisan make model, and the first letter same like controller is big. So we wanna make this PHP artisan make a model is exam. We already make the models and the controller. After that, after we already make the exam controller, we must PHP artisan migrate migrate. If like this, we must PHP artisan migrate rollback artisan migrate rollback. This. So you just PHP again, PHP artisan migrate. After that, we go to views. Now in views, we make a new file. The name is home.blade.php. After that, we in views we make a folder again for make the main folder, the main file layouts. We make the file layouts, and layouts we make a new file is main.blade.php. Nah, so we wanna make the how to see the home. So the first is we make the doc type. After that, because in this record in this moment, I wanna make the table, the navbar. I wanna use Tailwind, but I use CDN link in, but I wanna make from Daisy UI. If not, you can see in here also there is Ripple UI. So you just go to installation. So go to the link CDN. You just copy the link. After that, yeah, you can put in here. The in the head, you can put there. This already we can use the Tailwind CSS from Ripple UI. So after that, if you wanna see the button list, you just copy or see the home first. So after that, if you wanna see the no you wanna view, you must make a routes in web.php. Nah, the first, and because we are already make the route from, we wanna make the route from exam controller. So we just make route. After that, the method is get. After that, make this. So put in here slash home. After that, you may here you don't make function because the function and return view we can see we can make in exam controller. So in here we just make this. So we put the exam controller here, exam controller. So after that we put class. After that we put again is index. So don't forget this one. Now this we can make the road in exam controller in here. So we must make inside of class exam controller. So make write PUBC. Now this already to make the new function, but in here the name is index, not index. This same with wp this is the function index. Okay guys, now we already make the public function. So if we wanna make in here, we just put return field is home/home for see what in here in home. So we just put this. So after that, say hello world. We put a off before that we put h1 first. Forgot. I'm sorry. Put in h1. So because of I wanna make this simple, we we use tailwind. In tailwind, we make from I use triple UI. So you can install first with link CDN because better CDN. So we put at head session. So I wanna make it tidy first. So we can see in here. So now we go to in here. So we refresh. You can see in here there is hello world in here. There's already we make the slash home, the return field home. So in home, I want to make navbar first for main blade later on, and I want to tell you about what the function of main blade. Okay, we go to Ripple UI. This we search navbar. So you can choose, but I want to make the glass effect. This one. So after that, just copy and make the commenter for this the start session start navbar and end navbar. So just copy. After this for document exam, yeah, change the title exam result. So just cut the home bed and go to main bed. We put in here, we change exam result. This, and don't forget to put in here yield navbar. This one, yield navbar. This is the function for we can use main blade for other file. This I say to you. The first, if you want to, we see first in the home. You can see again in here. This there is no anything in here, but because of this already empty, we put in main blade.php. So because of that, we put in home blade for make the navbar. We take the navbar from main blade because don't forget to put in here real navbar. So put in here extend the name is layouts. This you see layouts main because that we put the first is the the name the folder layouts. So main the file. After this we make the name section not section HTML but section Laravel, and then if navbar. And now we can see in home, we refresh. Now this we already take, you can see in here, just put the layout man and section navbar. We can fill the result in here. You just put in here and take the code from yield navbar. This is the function of main blade PHP. So after this in home, I want to make table in here. Table, and we can later on I want to make for each. So we go to reply again. So we go to table. You can choose one of this, but I want choose the hover one. Just copy. So put in here table start, table end. So after that, just put in here the table, because just I wanna use one. Just delete this, the other until three. You just need one for the body, table body, a body. After this, after this, I wanna make the for each in here. The first, we go to exam console. Okay, guys. Now we wanna make for each in here, but we put first the what the name, the the top, the table in here. The first, if we wanna make for each, or we wanna uh, show the show our result, we put first in table exams. We insert. Oh, I forget to make new one. Wait, I forgot to say you something. In here, I want to make table in here. So, how to make the first? We make variable table. So put here like this, like a row. So the type of data is string. So make like this until three, or up to you. Now after that we write in here the yield, the field name is number. So make 100. This the the function. So this maybe for exam, uh, material materi, result hasil or nilai, and in here you make hasil 100 also. Now so after we already make, we control C first. With that we make PHP artisan migrate. Nah, we see nothing now to migrate, because that we roll back first before we roll back the first for uh, we roll back first with PHP artisan migrate roll back. I forgot to make the table. After this rolling back migration, we write again PHP artisan migrate. Now after that we can see in table. Now there is the file in here. So just make the name is example, other. Delay, the result is uh, the name the nilai is 80. 80. So other is lolos. Yes, lolos. So this also make maybe Adrian. the is 75 is euros. So just go to page, go to browse. This already inside the, we already make the table in here. This the field, this the name, nama nilai hasil is the name is field, this ID. So if you wanna uh, see the data and put in home, we must make in here variable exam. In here, the in here is we make exam all. That's some config. This because of there is no, we can put the models is import class. Import class. Oh, wait, this exam you import class. Wait a minute. How to? There is no exam control. Nah, this we already use the app models exam in here. The class is import. So after we put in here, we can make is compact. In here we put string, the inside is exam in here, but don't use the variable, just put exam. So if we want to see the variable exam, we comment first, we put in here daydang variable exam for see what the inside of variable exam. So we see in home. Oh yeah, don't forget to PHP artisan server again, so for running the server. So now we can see in here we already make there is attribute. If you already see in here, this there is the field agam nilai is the nilai has is the name of field. So this if you already die down variable exam, this the result. If you there is no result like this, you may search in Google. So after you already see in here, you just doing just delete the daydang and return view slash home compact exam. So after that we go to homelet php, and we in here we wanna make the for each the first this for the number php variable number is 1. So in here we just put variable number variable number. So in the body we put in here php variable number. Now we put the element the for each in the body or not the head. Okay, before okay, we wanna make the for each in here. So after we already make it like this, we wanna do Now after we already make in here return view home compact exam, we go to home blade. So in tr and inside of the body we make in here for each, just write for each, this one. So put the tr in here and x, so put in here, and the php we put inside of for each. Nah, I'm sorry. So this the for each we put in here, we change the variable collection to variable exam. So we change variable item to variable e. So just right here we delete all. So the first is we change the where to be nama nilai hasil. So we just like this like we have php echo if you know in php, but this the function of that. So we put in here variable s, variable e. Nah, we put a row. Nah, variable e, we put in here this the name of field. We see first in localhost. This the name of field is nama. So put in the first is nama. Just repeat, but change the name of field become same like this. This nilai and the last is hasil. Nilai. So put again in the last become hasil. After we read like this, we can we can refresh the button. No, okay, we refresh. Now you can see in here we already put the data in here. This change the type to be number. We already change. We already put yes, put the name, the table like in uh, the name like in database. You see in here Agang, the nilai is 80, the result is and the hasil is lulus, Adrian 75 lulus. You see in here Agang 80 lulus, Adrian 75 lulus. We already make in here the table in here. So after this I want to make the first is create or add data. So the first is you must search a new search button in rep in Ripple UI. You search one of the button. So I choose this one, the primary. Eh, the last is warning. So warning. So put in here. Make div. So in here we make class empty is 5. Margin this for margin top. So we also can make in here margin top 5 for the table top 5. So we can set in here. Now it's ready. We can see in here the button. So we can put in here also mx margin left or margin left 5. So this can change is add the this for add data later on. And after that we if we want to make a data, we make the new file for input data. the name data is input, the name file is input dot blade dot php. So same like in here, just make extend and section for the navbar. Because that we not have many code in our blade php. Just extends. The name is like visual layouts main. After that section navbar. So after that we make the new route in here, route for add data, route get is this for input, ya input exam controller class is the name is input. we, we after that, like home last time, we put in here PUBG also, PUBG. So change the construct become input. So this we delete. So just make return view uh, input. We already put in here input. After this, we can just copy this one to the new tab. After that, we put in here and change the home become input for C. Nah, this the file input in our web. Oh yeah, we not change it yet. The this one retail UI we change become uh, data exam. So after that, we wanna make input in here. Because of that, we put in here. We search input. Oh, not in file. Sorry. We first make forms. Forms. We just copy the div. Just copy the in. We put in input. This input start. Put and after that, just copy the. We already make it last time. This one. This div. So we can see an input now. There is Siemens access your account. Don't forget to make margin cut. Empty auto. If we cannot do that, just put empty 10. Oh. So after this, I want to change the background first, become warn. pg solid warning. Oh, because cannot, let's put warning in here. After that, we put the input. After we use input, we can change. We can just choose one of them. I choose this one. Input input warning. So the first we make in here form. After that we put input in here. So we can see in here. Now we already there is the new for input, but I wanna make it simple first. Okay. Yes. Now after we already make the name, this one, you can see in here the input. So we just copy this div name 3 times. One, two. This already three. So after that, change the name become same like in the table. Lie and hassle. So if you see in here, so don't forget to make the form mx. I forgot. Just margin top 2. After that, in here margin. We put in here margin top 2 also. After that, we change the placeholder. Same like the label. This nilai. This hasil. We can this after we make this one the form. After that, make the name the button. We can search in here also button. One of the this one same like in the first in the table. Don't forget to make div in that plus empty file. You can see in here. Default we change at we change the solid warning become beta and warning. Now so we can we already change the data. We can add data in here and change this become add your student data. So after that we already make the input, so we put in here. Don't forget to put method is post pause. So put in here so add CSR for make the input data. So after that we go to the exam. After we in here, oh yeah, don't forget put in input data. In here the action is store. So we are now go to here to web.php. Make new route for store. Let's change the get become post is store is also store. So we put in here PUBG also like input PUBG. So enter. Construct we change to become store. This we cut, we delete. After that, in here we already make like this. So I want to tell you about the function of CSRF. Okay guys, now the function of CSRF is this for put the data. And I forgot something. This the input route input is for create. So we change also in exam controller. We can create. So now we change. Okay, we already changed the input. Okay, so in store we put in here request 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 in here. So variable request. So after that, make a variable exam holding exam exam. So last time we put in here this for uh, put the data in from database. Now we wanna add data. We put in here request request. Wait a minute. But request, yes, this wrong, not request, but we put in here the exam, variable exam. So after that, make so no, not this one. Make this. So after that, all create create just create. So put in here variable request all all like this. It's all. So after that, uh, we day down again to and we already make the uh, new this we change input go to request to store. Okay, I forgot something. So after that we day down variable exam. So we go to store. There is some error. Get method is not supported to load store. Supported method post. Wait a minute. This post already post store. some control. So we immediately go to the next is input. We already put in here store action to method to store. So the method is post also. So after that, in action controller, we wanna make now because of we already make this, and I after running this there is a token. This token is from the CSRF, and because that we must change the token first. We change the all become accept underscore token token. Oh yeah, don't forget to put the this token. So we can search again. Oh, this SQL slate general error field nama doesn't have default value. Okay, this after because uh, we already put there, so this we put in exam.php fileable. Wait a second. In fileable, so not this one. Sorry. Exam.php. We make protected protected fileable fileable protected fileable. Yeah, variable nama. After that, kesalahan nilai, and the last is hasil. Variable wait, now we don't forget put here this one. Nah, so after we already put there, we refresh again. Field nama, specification, wait, this there is some error. Exam create request accept token. Exam create request accept token. This one, yeah, exam. So we put already exam token update underscore add created add create or created. Oh no, nah, we already add data. This already in store. You can see in your local host this. Okay, this already in store, so we can first make the light is 10. So we add data. This already in store, so we can refresh this one 101. Where is the exam? It's already in store. Create request variable exam PHP. I take fileable fileable. Oh yeah, I forgot one more. We put in input I forgot to put name in here. Here we make name, name your field nama, name, nilai, name. So we refresh again. There is something wrong here again. So the name is 70, the key, and result is add your data. So you go here. Okay, there is an error again because there is no cannot create it. Hmm, there's this in here first. So we refresh again. Nah, this already we create a new data in here. There is so after this in store because there is no anything in here store we put in here return redirect redirect. So go to home. So after this we can search in here. Now this will already make add data. We delete first these two data and then we delete because we cannot delete from them first. Now, now we see in here. Now just do data so we add new data. Add data. Oh yeah, I forgot. In input in home we change this button become a half. So this go to slash input and click. Nah, so we can add new data. Maybe this anaga. So this nilai is 60. 60. The result is so add data. This there is an anaga in here, and we refresh in our database. There is anaga in here. So is I wanna tell you this one exam contrary this exam create request accept token because last time that CSRF is use token. So make create accept token. So because there is some trouble again, we put in here protected fileable nama nilai and hasil. So we put don't forget to put here name nama, name nilai, and name hasil. This for the field for input your data to the database. This will already make the create session create create data or add data. So now we will I wanna make edit and delete in this video. I want after I already make this one. So the first in here I put in here new td. So after that we put in here new button delete and edit and delete. So we search first and it's delete. For edit is this success. Put in here. So after that we put the edit is the delete is error. This we change to edit. So after that we change to delete. Delete. So we see in here that is new. Oh yeah, I forgot to press this with th and this action. Action. Now there is edit and delete. The first is delete is the last because delete is very easy. So the first I wanna make edit button. This I make edit uh, for uh, like same it with ID. Okay. The first is we go to web.php. So I wanna make new roads in here. I forgot for before we make road, we make new uh, make new folder in views is update. Inside there is edit.php. PHP lay.php. So don't forget extends is layouts dot main. So the section dot. After this we just take the input just because the edit and input is same. Yes, we may. I wanna change the action and then form uh, edit. Okay, the first here already we change first and data become edit data. So this also edit data. This is not warning but success. So same all of warning change success. After that biggest region. So this green change to green icon. So now I want to make the this one. This we make new variable in here. So this store we change to update update slash like this. So variable exam variable id variable exam id. So now we put in here new route maybe uh for what the name for edit and in edit update update and then edit. Yes, now I wanna make the route uh for edit. First make route again the method is get. So in the inside we make uh id. Yes, this id. So slice edit. Yeah. on notice the room so it's ready. So make student controller with array associative student student controller action controller action action controller class is class is added. This for make the action controller the new file is pubg and the main index is uh, edit. This put in here variable id and here this is like that. So make new variable exam this for make edit right exam. So after that we put exam is exam 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 find 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 variable id like this. So after that we put return field and field the return field is like because this we want return field the update edit because the variable at the file edit in you can see in here variable edit in update because that we put edit we put in here update update edit dot edit. So after that we put compact the compact is the exam. So you can see now in update edit right. Yes. So this for make the edit first. This for sees the edit. So now we go to here. So in edit where in home edit method we change the button become go to edit in web get php edit slash edit. So the button change so ref slash slash variable id variable id or id I forgot. Wait. This for input id slash this you can see like in here edit variable id dot edit like in input like in web.php edit slash edit. So we put in here edit. So you can refresh now. Wait, the action people ready of running. Wait. is slash home. So we go to the home, or the different home. So there is some the ID, variable ID maybe. So in here change just ID, not variable ID. Refresh. Person 7 variable ID edit. So some controller update edit find variable edit compact exam. So we just go here, ID on null, attempt to read property ID from update exam ID. Oh yeah, I forgot the in here this not use first the action. Nah, we already seen here there is the, but we not yet see the ID in here, but we already put in here the edit data or edit the data. So there is this variable ID student file update edit complex same file. So now we edit we can edit the data. So now this is the button ready, but the ID not yet, because that we need the ID. Maybe yeah, I forgot how to use. Maybe ID. Okay, I wanna see there is, because this not yet there is some trouble in here because we not yet see the ID. I wanna search first how to make how to see the ID. Okay, now I already know how to see the ID. You can see in here the ID in here. You see there is percent 7B ID. Yes, I want to make the ID like in here. You see this, there is ID1, ID4, ID5. So I want to see in here the ID. Okay, wait a minute. So in here when you put edit, this already have the routes and the web edit, but the ID not yet. This because that I want to change first in here. This not ID but change variable a variable e due to ID. Nah, so we can refresh. We already take in here the ID. We already see ID in here. So now we wanna edit the data. How to edit? So we now go to web.php, make the new route, and name is put. Oh yeah, the first we put in edit JSRF with mode method, new method is put. So in PHP we can make the new route is the name is put. So the diff so we make like this update ID. So slash update date slash id. So we send like this is the id. So we make like this and array exam with exam controller class, and that is this. The name is I don't know, I forgot. Wait a minute. An exam controller. Name is update. Name is update. Up update. We already put in here new the new routes from edit that. Yes. The method is put, we change. So we go to exam controller, make new PUBG. So change the construct become update. So in here we change variable id variable this request request variable request. So after that we put in here variable exam this like this the how to say the if in Arabic is wazan or in Indonesian is rumus from uh, put the edit data. So in here there's the rumus in here. This is the rumus for edit the data. So after that I wanna put student update request all for put here. The first is student find variable id. In here exam find find variable id. So after that we put variable exam exam update update variable request all variable request all. So after that the next is return redirect home. Return redirect is home. Is for edit data. So now we go to the edit. After that we put in here the because this in here we maybe already can edit data this. Okay, you can see in here this agam the nilai is 80 and the result is lulus. So I wanna edit the name is become jadi Fadri nilai 60. Okay. So edit that. This not supported. Route one edit support methods get head because we not yet put go to, but we can search in here. You can see this not yet also change it because that I want to change first to edit it. Yes, edit. After this, we now go to here and here. So go to edit the PHP. we make value, new value in here, put in here value new, the value same like this, student number, but in here variable action number. So just copy in here also, the name is become nilai. So in here we put hasil. Is for change the data. So the action also we put last time slash update, that slash same like this, update slash variable student, variable exam in here, exam id. If already we now refresh the home page with data exam. After that we can edit the first, maybe agam we edit. Nah, we already change there is this, so we change the name, this from Agam we change to Agung Hadi Laksono, the nilai active become 90, this dulu, so edit data 404 not found, this ready true if you already 404 not found, and we already, we can see in here this null, but not yet changed yet, can see why this 404 not found, because this update not update, I forgot this update, so we can refresh again. Okay, not yet change it, then still 404 not found. Get method is not supported, update supported method put once, support methods put wrote update, the get method is not supported, this ready put that I do some control plus here also ready update find some update request all and input ready implement edit already update other action edit method put, so now I want to see something first in here. So here is action now already. So in edit there is some trouble in edit. Put input border already value, we already put value in here. The value is nilai, like this nilai and hasil. But there is some trouble. We can go to home first. So we change edit Ageng to Ageng Hadi Japsono, edit data. Wow, this already we change, you can already, we already change the exam, so we can see in here. Nah, we already edit data. Yes, you can see Ageng Japsono, the result is 80 and in here also change it. So now I want to make the delete action in here. So we already make how to put data, add data and edit data. Now we want to delete data from homeblade.php. So we change the button. You know, we no need change the button, but just make formula, new form in here. So put in the button inside of the formula. So we put inside in here like this. The action, wait, I forget the action is update slash update update slash variable a variable. I forgot. Wait, this we can change like that. Update variable s id. This berarti variable e go to id, like this the action. So the method is post. Method is post. So after that, in here we put, because in here we need csrf. So we make like in edit last time, we make new method. The method is delete for this. Method is delete. So after that, we change the, so we can see in here the button like this, right? If you see, uh, how to do, how to change it, you change the class, put in the form, so the button become like this again, but this for delete, you know, get change it. So after we already make the form and the new method, so we make new road for delete. We make new road just using this. For this, the put we change become delete. So the update still same, except control this. We change the update become destroy. Okay, already we go to exam controller. This is the last session. We make PUBC. The construct we change become destroy. So here, like in here, make variable id, with variable id destroy. So this the rumus from here, variable student, like this form for delete. So make variable exam, this the rumus. So we put in here exam, the models, exam, find id, variable id, sorry. So after that, make variable exam, like variable exam to delete delete. So put here. After that, we go to return redirect for back to home. Return redirect is like the name, uh, go back to home. For go back to home after we delete, just go to home. Return redirect is slash home. So after that, we go to here, go to home blade. After we already, we for the delete, we make new data first for delete. New the name is maybe no, maybe Adrian. So the nilai is 70. The result is plus. Add that. There's already Adrian. So now I want to try to delete the data. Wait, this update variable a id method cost. So we can try. Inshallah this we can. Now if we want to delete, if we not yet put delete him in here, we can delete in here. This there is button delete. Now this the function. So now we go to here for delete first. We delete the anaga, maybe anaga we delete. Nah, we can already delete. There is no anaga again in here. So you can see in PHP admin the anaga already gone. We already can make the delete section. So this the my website. I make it alone. From add data we make for the put the data in table, add data this. So we make edit data, so we make also delete section, delete data. This maybe that is for me from this video, and if you wanna ask me, you can ask me from Gmail or in my YouTube channel. Okay, and you can comment and you can ask me for be better in here. You can comment in my YouTube. Okay, maybe that is for me, and I'm sorry for my mistake and my my mistake in this video. I still learning also from this Laravel. Okay, maybe that's for me, and I'm sorry for my mistake. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.